Hey, what's up, gang? Chilling with the gang. Adebisi Pando Yam. I messaged the shipping company, they didn't respond to me. Guys, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So literally I just had to jump out of the house right now to go pick up my package from Niger. The shipping company that I used, and this is the second time I'm using them. I don't know why they are doing this. Like their customer service is so horrible. You message them, they don't reply you for two days. Like who does that? And you want people to patronize you. So now I've been waiting for my package for one week now, and I messaged the shipping company, they didn't respond to me. Today's the second day. The next response I got was from the pickup company here in Canada, the clearing company. They told me to come and pick up my package. So right now I'm going from downtown Toronto to Etobicoke to pick up a package. They just messaged me like right now, and they even put it there that if you want to pick up a package during the weekend on Saturdays, it's 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. If you want to pick up during the week, it's Monday to Friday, 11 a.m. to 6 p.m., I believe. But the annoying thing is today is Saturday, okay? And this is like almost 3 o'clock, and they are just messaging me to come and pick up my package. And I don't live in it at all because if I was at work at the moment, I wouldn't be able to rush out of my apartment and go pick up my package that, I need to pick up in the next 1 hour. And you guys are just messaging me. And I've already messaged you guys 2 days ago. I still message you guys today. No response. I hate getting mad, but I'm clearly mad. Yeah. My package mostly contains like edible goods. I'm been praying that my snails and my catfish doesn't get spoiled because it literally took 1 week and I don't know. I can't not go today because if I don't go today, that means I wouldn't be able to pick the package up until Monday. And right now it's already 3 o'clock, so I'm really hoping I meet up. We're taking the highway and it will take about almost 40 minutes. So hopefully I should be able to meet up. Got my package. I'm going home now. I got there, I picked it up, and then I discovered that they just received it. So maybe they were like, okay, if you can still meet up and pick it up today, I'm gonna. Alright guys, so I'm back home. I just remembered that I didn't actually do a video intro. So hi, this is Tinuola right here. This is me, this is us. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here on this platform, I share content on beauty, well-being, lifestyle. More recently, I've been doing lifestyle videos, mostly sharing my life here as a Nigerian in Canada. So you can check out my previous videos. Join the channel by subscribing. Subscribe to the channel, hit that red button down below, and turn on post notification bell. And if you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. It's good to have you guys here again. By the way, if you guys are just seeing me for the first time, don't mind this look. See, this girl, I'll be correct, babes. Trust me, I look better than this. This is just one of those days. It's just one of those days, especially with my hair. I'm going to do something about it pretty soon. My birthday is coming up, so I'm going to be making my hair soon. Guys, let's just unbox this thing. Okay, it's taking too long. Alright. Okay, let's open these bad boys. Both of them are 48 kg. Yeah, this one especially is pretty heavy. I don't know what's inside. Let's see. Let's start from the smaller one. Guys, the first thing here is my love. I have catfish here, huge catfish. I have smoked catfish here, that's the first one. And the ziploc is, sealed and taped. So I'm not yet ready to dig inside. But I can see that some of them is already broken. I don't know why it's like that this time around. See guys, the last time I had catfish sent to me, the way they packaged it was also in Ziploc, but I don't know, maybe it was the shipping company. I don't know how they did it, whatever. But it wasn't this broken shot. Let me see the other ones. Hopefully they won't all be broken. Oh, tilapia fish. I have smoked catfish and smoked tilapia fish. Guys, look at that. Oh my god, super excited. Okay, more tilapia fish, smoked, or more. By the time I cook inside this house, my neighbors, thank god they are not Nigerians, they will have earwing for me because of the smell. I'm just joking. I'm really perceiving the aroma. We have more fish. The fish looks good. It smells really fresh. But surprisingly, some of it are broken. Like I'm seeing some parts of it are broken. Surprisingly, but that's not an issue anyway. I'm not selling it. I'm just going to consume it. Wow. Okay, this one looks good. You know what, guys? Let me open this and show you what it looks like inside. Guys, this thing smells so fresh. You have no idea. Excitement. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Like I said, it's not really broken, like I still have big pieces. Looks good. I believe I have about 40 pieces of smoked catfish. But yeah, that's just to show you guys what it looks like inside. And once again, this smells really fresh. So the entire shipping took 1 week as usual. I was quite scared because I didn't want my stuff to spoil, but I'm glad they still smell fresh. Hey, look at our tilapia. Shout out to my mom, she made all of this happen. Thank you so much. Guys, surprise! Look what we have here. It's not fresh, it's dry snails, okay? I was really looking forward to this, and let's see if it's still okay. I hope it's not spoiled. Yes, it's still good. Dry snails. Okay. Let me just tone down the excitement. Oh, and even smaller ones. Oh, thank you so much. My mom did a good job. This looks good, it smells good, everything is intact. Food makes me happy. Clearly. My recent love for Golden Moore, you guys will not understand. You see, this thing costs at least $20 here. So I'm like, yo, I finished it in like 2 weeks. So I have this and this. Golden Moore. Got some seasoning, crayfish flavor. They don't take chicken flavor here. It's only if maybe you blend it or something like that, you grind it. But yeah, I wanted to bring chicken flavor, but they don't take chicken flavor. So I have some tasty crayfish seasoning. Okay, I have to stand up for this one. It's heavy. Local rice of father. This yellow and black nylon, I have not seen this in years. So I'm going to keep this nylon. I'm just joking. What's in here? It's like tea, dry tea, or some dry leaves. Is it okra? No. I don't know. I'm gonna have to ask my mom for this one. Yeah. I'm happy this came through. Okay, this is grinded beans, because I hate to go through the stress of grinding beans. At least grinding it to this size and cleaning it up and all of that. So this is huge for me. Okay. I have some ogbono, and as you guys can see how she packaged it, nothing poured here. She packaged everything very well. Like, see the ogbono, she sellotaped everything all around. These ziploc bags, she sellotaped the tips. So I'm just giving you guys an idea if you want to send something abroad and you want to package them so that they don't pour, because the last one I got, some of it poured. So this time around she was really careful to make sure nothing pours. And this is dry panla, eja panla, stockfish, yellow gari. This is a lot of crayfish. I'm pretty sure I'm not going to finish this in the next 3-4 months. I'm not going to finish this crayfish. And prawns. Okay, so this one I really love. This dry prawns, the smell, the flavor it gives your food. Alright guys, let's open the second box and run through it quickly. Adebisi pando yam. Pando yam. Adebisi pando yam. Ayoola pando yam. There's going to be a lot of swallow. I'm going to get fat. Trust me. Semolina. More yellow gari. Oh, God. This one is heavy. White gari. This one is egusi. Oh God. My mom is blessed. Blended egusi. I don't have to go through. Hey, God, the food is going to be delicious. All of you that want to come and visit me this period. Yes, you're going to get visa to enter Tinu Tasty Touch Kitchen. Semolina, second one. This one is amala. I'm going to eat amala and gengiri. Elubo. This one is more elubo. But I got 2 types of elubo, the wheat elubo and the yam or plantain elubo. think, see, it's three of them I have here. Alright. So how many Lubo? This is like the fourth one. And I have this. That's it, guys. We're done with the unboxing. Wow, I need water right now. Someone asked me the other day about how I store my foodstuffs from Nigeria. If you guys haven't seen my previous Nigerian foodstuff videos, you can check them out. I'm gonna put the link at the end of this video. Also, I did a very in-depth video on comparing shipping food from Nigeria or buying them in the African stores here. So if you guys haven't seen that video, please check it out. This is my freezer, but it's not so big for me to store a lot of food items. So what I do is I'm intentional about the food items I bring from Nigeria. I don't bring a lot of food items that I have to store in the freezer because I don't have that space. Let's say I have my own deep freezer. I have a freezer like this, and then I have an additional deep freezer. That way I can get more foods from Nigeria and store them in the deep freezer, but that's not my case. Okay, so I only shop like once in 3 months, once in 4 months from Nigeria, and everything I need, I'm able to store it well and they don't spoil. This is the layer where I store all the fish, all the smoked fish. I just stack them up on each other, and I have everything stored here, and it's not going to spoil. You just want to make sure that it's not wet inside, you know, the Ziploc bag in which the fish came in. For my iru, I still have the locust beans here in the fridge itself, and it's still fresh. I still have about half of it. So you just want to make sure the place is dry, make sure it's room temperature or cool. I just realized that one of this is actually pap. So my mom makes dry pap, so she helped me make this dry pap.